Hey there, architecture enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating project that caught my eye, Under the Pink Roof, by Caret Studio Associato. This unique design not only revitalizes a marginal area but also becomes a symbol of community and identity. Let's explore what makes this project so special. Imagine a vibrant, Rose-Terracotta canopy stretching over a space, creating a sense of unity and belonging. That's the vision Caret Studio Associato brought to life in Borgo, San Lorenzo. The architects aim to restore a shared identity to this area, and the result is truly captivating. What makes this project stand out is its ability to speak the community's language. The design is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's a reflection of the people's identity. It's like the architects have captured the essence of the community and given it a physical form. Personally, I think this is an incredible way to connect architecture with the social fabric of a place. Now, let's talk about the impact of this project. By transforming a marginal area into a landmark, Caret Studio Associato has not only created a beautiful space but also a sense of pride and ownership for the community. It's a powerful reminder of the role architecture can play in shaping our social environments. One detail I find fascinating is the use of color. The pink roof is a bold choice, and it immediately draws attention. It's a statement, a symbol of the community's unique character. This project challenges the notion that architecture should be neutral and instead embraces the idea of architecture as a form of expression. In my opinion, Under the Pink Roof is a perfect example of how architecture can be both functional and emotionally resonant. It's a space that invites people to gather, to connect, and to feel a sense of belonging. It's a testament to the power of collective architecture and the impact it can have on our communities. As we reflect on this project, it raises a deeper question: how can we use architecture to strengthen our communities and create a sense of shared identity? It's an exciting challenge, and I believe projects like this inspire us to think beyond the traditional boundaries of design. So, there you have it. A pink roof with a powerful message. I hope this project inspires you to see the potential in architecture to transform not just spaces, but the very fabric of our communities. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning.